Woodpeckers Tools is one of the most prominent brands in the woodworking industry. Since the company makes its first step in the class, they've maintained the topmost quality in every creation. Whether you're a novice or a pro, we've all heard the phrase, measure twice, cut once. That's why the Woodpecker Tools followed the term innovation and quality before introducing a new tool. They build everything, starting from top-quality layout tools, squares, woodworking rules, and T-squares, to infinity. From the very beginning of this tool brand, a large portion of consumers had issues with their pricing, but the rest of the users spend their bucks on them, only because of their marketing gimmick. Well, in this video, we'll show you a detailed discussion of this subject and let you know if Woodpecker Tools are actually worth it. Before purchasing any tool, what comes first to your mind? Obviously, the durability, because you're spending your hard-earned money on it. Keeping that in mind, Woodpeckers Tools never compromise the quality, control, and consistency of their tools. They've owned a great reputation in the industry due to their high manufacturing standards, amazing workmanship, and premium aluminum construction, so there are no consequences on their lifespan and durability. The term versatility doesn't sync with the Woodpeckers tool properly, although they specifically design their tools for woodpecking or carpentry, meaning you will not get the same range of functionalities that other brands have. And if you're seeking a tool to do multiple things, Woodpeckers may not be the best option to go with. Now, let's move on to the exceptional fact of the Woodpeckers Tools. Woodpeckers are one of the most highly respected tool brands to many serious woodworkers, as they can rely on its tool lineup to achieve best-in-class accuracy and precision. This manufacturer uses a computer, numerical control, CNC method, and premium aluminum material that brings out the second-to-none preciseness and sturdiness. Plus, the unrivaled accuracy of measuring turns a noob into a pro. Every beginner in the woodworking field expects easy usability from their tools. Where other brands can be a bit tougher to operate, Woodpeckers Tools offer extremely easy-to-use facilities, so they can gain work experience in a completely hassle-free way. However, they'll demand more frequent maintenance than regular tool brands. It's obvious great solutions need great care, after all. Unlike the other tool brands, Woodpeckers continued their tool manufacturing while keeping the customer's demand in mind. They're constantly expanding their tool lineup to include nearly everything you'll need for woodworking projects. No matter if you need a precision square, a scraper, or a knuckle clamp, Woodpeckers have got everything for you. Regarding all the essential elements, durability, accuracy, and maintenance, we can say Woodpeckers don't charge any extra pennies to you. Though the price tags are a bit higher than other brands, but their efficiency is even greater. However, it's up to you whether you're comfortable working with standard precision that you'll get from other brands, or you're going to get pinpoint accuracy on every job. Okay, that was our today's video about our Woodpeckers Tools overpriced. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. And make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.